Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to stand here before you to welcome all of you for this evening event. We are today here to celebrate Tata Power's 100 glorious years of successful operations. Tata Power would like to appreciate each one of you for making this a memorable journey that was possible only due to your support and faith in us. Your presence here today has added value to our joy, and we welcome each one of you present here for taking time off your busy schedule to celebrate 100 years of invisible goodness. Without taking much of your time, I once again welcome each one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Our company is Ruby Mills, and we've been with Tata Power for almost 85, 90 years. We have moved our capacities out near Khopoli. So we are looking at the possibility of availing power at our 2 units, also both manufacturing textiles. So how can Tata Power help us get power and reliable and cheap power there?
Thank you so much. Thank you for all the comments that I saw a few minutes before. Truly appreciate your love and affection, and it will be our endeavor. We know very clearly that while we may have the past, while we may have the times to recall, but at present we clearly realize that the consumers need much more competitive power, much more competitive tariff. And I will perhaps want to use this opportunity to convey that it's our steadfast commitment that we will work with the regulators to make sure that we continue to remain competitive or become competitive wherever we are not, in whichever segment we are not. Just to take up the point that a friend suggested about the establishment in Maharashtra but outside the Mumbai license area, I think there are structured options available today, both in terms of either becoming an open access customer if your load is above 1000 kVA, and if it is not, then the other structured option is to make it into a captive facility. And I think we can get together and talk about that and see as to how we can certainly facilitate that. It can become actually much more competitive than what it is today as a part of the declared regulatory tariff. Thank you to all the consumers. We talked about the fact that, and I heard Ashok making a very sentimental speech, stating that we exist because of you. I think the more important and the direct part would be, actually you are the ones who pay our compensation. You are the one who pay our salary. It's the customer who allows us to run our homes. So therefore, we are indeed indebted to you for all that you have done over the last century. And we will continue to look for your support in the days ahead. I can only assure you that besides the element of business that we do, besides the element of various aspects that ultimately come back, the pride that you should actually take as a customer, that each time that you pay your bill to Tata Power, remember, 2/3 of your profit every year goes back to Tata Trust and ultimately goes back to humanity, because Tata Trust can't do anything other than spend on humanity. So therefore, whenever you walk across Tata Memorial Hospital or TISS or Indian Institute of Sciences or see any other facility of the task being done by Tata Trust, remember it is your money that's actually going back to people. So therefore, even at times, you may be paying a little bit through the hurt, or at times, like my friend faced some trouble in terms of interruptions. Pardon us, forgive us. We are those souls. We are actually taking the bridge aspect between you and the community, which perhaps deserves much better quality of life. So on behalf of all those Indians and on behalf of 600,000 Tata family people, I would once again thank you for taking care of us for all these years and look forward to your continued support in the days ahead. Thank you so much.
Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you've enjoyed this occasion as much as we have enjoyed it putting it together for you. I would like to invoke, this feeling amongst all of us, the first 1,000 support that Mr. Sethi spoke about to join this crusade and to take us forward through a further 100 years. While this beautiful evening draws to a close, I would like to thank all of you for your unflinching support, Pandit Ajay Pohankar and his team for regaling us with their music, our senior management team for gracing this occasion, our organizing team for their tireless efforts, and last but not the least, the Taj Lands End for this beautiful venue and the wonderful arrangements. Thank you.